Hi guys, so we're gonna start off with our foundation and I'm using this bourgeois one. I want to achieve a natural look, so I'm gonna use mostly cream products. This is my concealer, it's a Catrice one, nothing fancy, and I will blend it in with my fingers. Next is this Fenty contour stick in the shade Amber, and I'm just applying it on my hand and then with a brush on my face, slightly contouring because I don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm applying this cream blush on my cheeks and my nose as well, because I imagine a little girl that is walking in the woods blushing from the cold. And I just want some color to my cheeks. Next I'm gonna set it with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. For my brows I'm gonna use this pencil from ABH and of course my brow mascara from Catrice. For the eyes, I'm going with a natural look because in my mind the Red Riding Hood is an innocent little girl, and I'm just gonna use these browns and I'm gonna apply some shimmery eyeshadow on my lid, and that's all. Just adding some shadows, nothing special, nothing too hard. And I'm gonna do the lower lash line with the same colors that I've applied on my eyes. Then I'm going to apply this glitter color on my lids, and that's all. Just applying some Catrice mascara right here, and this is the eye look. Next I'm applying some more blush because the cream one was fading and I wanted some color to my cheeks, as I said before. Next is my highlight, and I'm going to use this Fenty one, just applying on my cheeks, on my forehead, my nose. I don't know why, but when I think about the Red Riding Hood, I just imagine her with freckles. So this is what I did. I just drew some freckles on my face with this pencil from Rimmel London in the color Cappuccino. And then I'm going to use this sponge, or I don't know what is it, but it's from my powder case, and I'm using it for blending in my freckles and make them appear more natural, and of course applying some powder on them to stay as long as possible. Of course I had to use a red lipstick, and this is from Essence. But it was a little lighter for me, so then I just went with a deeper lipstick from Lancome. And this is the fun part. I've just bought some wax from the Halloween department on some website. It wasn't expensive, but I don't know if it was the quality of the wax, but it was really hard to work with it. I really struggled to put that on my face, and I don't know if I've just messed it up because I didn't know how to use it, but this is what I saw on tutorials on YouTube, and yeah. It was just a mess working with it. It just stuck to my hands, to my brushes. It was everywhere. I wanted to create 3 scratches on my face that resemble the ones made by a wolf. Then I'm applying some foundation over them to make them appear as my skin. And I wanted to make them a little more deeper. Just grab my scissors and cut it through the middle. Then I'm applying this burgundy color to create some dimension and just trying to make them appear as a real wound. Then I'm applying my blood spray and I just wasn't happy with the result. And I just grabbed the pencil and put some blood all over the scars. I wanted to apply a black eyeshadow to my scar, but I didn't like it, so that one remained a little bit different, but it's okay. I just grabbed some blood with my blush brush and spread it all over my face. And then some more spray blood, just apply it with my brush or just let it be. And this is my final look. I'm happy with what it turned out, being my first time using special effects on myself. And these are my scars. And this is my costume. I have a red vintage dress that I bought from thrift shop and a red fabric on top of it that I have turned into a cape. So yeah guys, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it will mean so much to me, and see you next time. Bye!